Well, new tonight, 5 former Memphis police officers charged in the death of Tyre Nichols are due in court tomorrow. Demetrius Haley, Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, Emmett Martin III, and Desmond Mills Jr. all facing multiple charges, including second-degree murder and kidnapping in Nichols' death after a traffic stop in January. Today, attorneys for 2 of the former Memphis police officers are filing motions asking to separate their trials from the other officers. Attorney Mark Zumach, representing Justin Smith, says their motion should be granted if it'll give them a fair trial. Arzaria Oates met with local attorneys to help us break down what this could mean for the trial.
5 former officers, 5 main attorneys, and 2 of the defendants looking to separate themselves from the pack. Local Memphis attorney Murray Wells says this case is different than most others.
This one is really crazy, and I've had a lot of cases that are in the news a lot.
Wells says the city of Memphis's decision to release so much evidence likely plays a key role in how the defendants' attorneys are feeling.
The city of Memphis made some choices in this case that if I was a defense lawyer for one of the officers charged, I would be a little frustrated because the city of Memphis just broadly dumped everything they had out into the general public. And it's going to be really tough to find anybody in Memphis that doesn't know about this.
Attorney Martin Zumach, representing former officer Justin Smith, and attorney John Keith Perry Jr., representing former officer Tadarius Bean, both filing a motion on Wednesday to sever their clients from each other in the case, meaning each defendant would have their own individual trial. Perry Jr. saying, clearly, the objective is to preserve the dignity of the trial process and ensure that the interest of justice is served. However, the only way this can truly be achieved is by severing the defendants and allowing each one to be tried as individuals based solely on their individual actions.
They would have to sever them in a way that time passed. They wouldn't be doing the trials at the same time. The severance could be months. Even sometimes I've seen severances that take a year.
Possibly even needing to move the trial to another location, but still not avoiding the officers' actions that so many people have seen nationwide. As the 5 former officers head into court Friday morning, another big question is whether or not additional hours of video and records from the incident will be released to the public. In Memphis, I'm Zaria Oates.
ABC 24 and CW 30 will be live both online and on air tomorrow morning in court beginning at 9 a.m. And as we await the judge's decision on whether any additional video, audio, or records will be released.